Chainsaw Man is not the best anime of 2022, neither is Bleach. The anime of 2022 is Kotaro Lives Alone. This anime is about a 4-year-old boy who lives alone. This anime is unique, as it follows a peculiar boy who lives his life as an independent child, something that would not happen in our society. This anime is filled with laughter and at times sadness. The cast is great, as Kotaro befriends many other people who live in the apartment complex, forming almost a second family. This is a must watch. What is your anime of 2022?